Welcome to a day in my life as a first-year finance associate in Houston, Texas. Here I am making it to work and coming up to my office. Of course, I have to give y'all a quick office tour. It's so cozy with the lamps, and this rainy downtown weather is my absolute favorite. Since I spend so much time in here, I wanted to make it super cozy. Quick outfit check before we go to the Monday morning meeting, which is a firm-wide meeting across all offices in the US, London, and Dubai, giving updates on firm news and clients. Here I am just filling up my Stanley for the day, and I'm just going to go over some syndicated loan primers to get acquainted with some finance terms since I don't have much going on this morning. This weather certainly called for some tea. So I'm making my favorite mint green tea that the firm offers. Now I'm reviewing and revising a DACA, which is a deposit account control agreement, in order to perfect our security interest in the deposit account. And you'll learn most of this in secured credit in law school. For lunch, I'm making my way down to the tunnels to grab a quick bowl. The tunnel system in downtown Houston is so cool and so elaborate. Gotta get that post-lunch pick-me-up before I call a quick pro bono client and go over the case with them. And that wraps up my day as a first-year finance associate here in Houston, Texas.